Speaking about the profitability of robotization, we here at NFP has developed by us, this is our know-how, ROI calculation, I mean return on investment calculation. Basically, how you should look at this graph. On the right side, of course, you have the graph, which represents the stats that are represented on the left side of the screen. And on the left side on the screen, we have two different types of costs and benefits. The first type is when you're using the employee to perform the task, and the second part is about using the robotic process automation. When we are talking about the employee, we should understand that it's not only the salary that we pay the person directly, but it is also some other expenses we bear when we work with the real human, like taxes, keeping the workplace, the PC, electricity, and so on. And that's important to understand that we compare the automation to this entire, those entire spendings of our company on this person, which is also called full-time equivalent, which you may know as an FTE. And you compare this FTE to the robotization implementation, basically, which consists of two parts. The first part is licenses. The licenses, the license policy in RPA industry is just like the same as in other IT product industries. If you have ever worked SAP, for example, or something like that, that would be totally understandable for you. You can buy it for any period of time, starting with just 1 year. And for this year, license will be working, and you then can continue it at any given time until it expires totally. And then there is the second part, which is the implementation. Again, it's just like the same, like while integrating any other IT system in your company, but basically, unlike in any other IT spheres, for robotization, since it's like easy to understand, easy to learn, and it's just like really easy for people with at least some IT and technical background to enter the RPA, you can not just use the help of the third-party integrator, but you can try implementing the RPA yourself. But again, you should just understand that at the end of the day, it can be more pricey for you to use your own power, because it may take much more time, and also the results can be way, way worse than if you're using the professionals. And returning to the graph, if someone is interested, the main thing you should look here is not the crossings of any of those lines, but the benefits of RPA, the gray line. It should cross the 0 line, the X line, and all the things after that. This means that implementing the RPA is profitable for your company. Here, it like, I'm not sure, it's about 11th or 12th month. So just about a year has passed before the RPA started bringing the benefits from the company. But since this point, it will be only beneficial for the company. We will like wait for 5 minutes, and while we're waiting for your questions, if you have any, so some kind of short advertisement. Right now on the screen, you can see the RPA services we provide. So we are not just the company that comes and implements the robot. I mean, like, we are not just the designers for algorithms, not just the developers. We provide the full cycle services in RPA, like combined or separately, starting with the preliminary process and business analysis. So like just at the beginning of the webinar, we can come to your company and check your processes and your departments and pick up and range the best processes. Then we can write down for them the technical assignments, which you could either then realize yourself or with our help or with the help of any other third-party integrator within your company. We also have experience with outsourcing and outstaffing our people to your company, so they for some period of time can build something like a center of excellence or something in those lines. And also we provide trainings, and our trainings are basically the part of the webinar series, which is called like NFP School of Skills. So you're welcome. And exclusively for the webinar viewers, we have this like promo code or something like that, which is called Free Express RPA survey. But basically what happens if you are not from Russia but from somewhere else, we can create a conference call for like a few hours and we can discuss your pains, and you can just provide us with different number of processes you think that could be automated within your company, and just during the dialogue on spot we will answer you if we feel like those are the good processes or not. Yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye, and see you and have a nice day.